Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. I've been basically trading and investing for 10 years plus. And I focus on the charts. I trade Monday through Friday. And I swing trade the cryptos. I trade the futures market Monday through Friday, day trade it, and I swing trade cryptos. And basically, if you are new to this market, I just want to tell you guys that I urge a lot of you guys to just study the market, study how the charts work, because I know a lot of you guys are actually leaving a lot of money on the table. Okay, you are leaving a lot of money on the table because you can actually take advantage of these swings. That's basically that's going on in the market pretty much every single week. And I know some of you guys probably are feeling it, and the market's going down, and some of you guys is feeling it, with your portfolio. But there's a lot of money to be made. There's still a lot of money to be made, and I'm a professional, so that's when I come on my channel. This is what I do. I tell people that you don't have to worry yourself too much because there's a lot of money to be made. So if you are new to my channel, you can actually hit the subscribe button. If this sounds like something that you are interested in, definitely hit the subscribe button. And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And basically, if you are watching the replay, you can go to the settings. Okay, you go to settings. You can hit speed and go to 1.5. I mean, actually, 1.5 or 2. You can actually speed up the replay. Okay. So right now, BTC is dropping, and the whole market is going along with it. Okay. So let's see if I see anybody at the in the chat room. What's going on, Left Lane? What's going on, T Dollars? TP Dollars? What's going on? Are you new? You're not new to my channel, right? TP Dollars? No. So TP Dollars says I'm making money short in this market right now, thanks to you. So shout out to TP Dollars. Yeah. You're not new. Okay. So shout out to him. He's actually making money right now. And this is what I'm talking about for all you guys that's watching the replay. If you are new to this stuff, you can actually make money right now. Okay. So let's see what's going on with this market. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin first. Let's go to the 4-hour. It looks like some buying is coming in. Okay. As we speak, you see the buyers come in. So this is a normal thing with Bitcoin. It's a normal thing with Bitcoin. You have down moving, up moving, down move. So it's a normal thing. Okay. So you have buyers coming in right now, but overall the market is weak. And basically we just have to wait until see what's going to happen. So a couple of things could happen. I told you guys before, a couple of things could happen. Right now, what can happen is we can form a double top here. So Bitcoin could go up to the top, right? Form a top, double top, and probably resume and keep on going down. Or we can actually go up, break this 68 level, and probably mess around in this channel and either go back down, or if depending on the buyers, we can actually go to 77. But right now the market looks weak. It looks like it wants to go down and test the lows. So I don't know if it wants to go up just high again to 7,700. So it probably, even if it goes as high, we probably either going to create a double top or mess around in this channel right here and probably test the lows again. So let's see who else is here. Left Lane said 63. We went below 63, Left Lane. What do you mean? Were you talking about 63 as in going up or down? What do you mean by that, Left Lane? Oh, so you said we're not going up and we're not going past? Okay, so you say we're not going past 63? Yeah, yeah. So it's a possibility. It's a possibility that we won't even make it up here, because right now this level right here, it is resistance, like left lane said. Okay, because when the market went down and we try to go back up right here, it is some type of resistance right here. So he's right. He's right, because be honest with you, I thought that we was going to reverse and at least test the high right here, but he's right. There's a lot of resistance right here at the 64, 63 level. So you know, we'll see. So what's going on, Fetch? Good to see you here. What's going on, Glenn? What's going on, Indran? I believe I'm saying that right. I don't know. Indranil. Who else is here? What's going on, businessman? And put on a few trades on a demo account, made $100. Shout out to businessman making his money. He put on a few trades today. What's going on, the Polo Sport? The Polo Sport said he made $50 in a demo account. So shout out to the Polo Sport. He's one of my good listeners. So shout out to him. He bought the course and basically studied the information, and now he's making money. So he made $50 in a demo account. So shout out to him. I like to see that. I like to see people practicing and, you know, and looking to make this money. So shout out to Polo Sport. So it's good to see you make some money in the Polo Sport. I don't care if it's demo or real life. It doesn't matter. You have to understand, a lot of people are not even willing to do anything. So shout out to him, and I'm glad to see that. So okay, you from Indian? And Dranil is from India. So shout out to Dranil. Okay, that's what's up. Welcome to my channel. What's going on, Ace? So Ace said, man, I finally made profit, $101 today in 4 hours. I'm ready to buy now. So shout out to Ace. He made some money. Okay. Ace is one of my students, and he definitely made some money. So congratulations, Ace. He said he finally made $101. Finally made some money, so that's good. So Glenn said, I need to check my demo account. I'm in 2 trades right from yesterday. Okay. That's what's up, Glenn. So what's going on, Dom? How's everybody? Okay, so Dom said I've been practicing on a demo, so that's good, man. Good to see that. Fetch said, did I? No, I didn't enter at all, Fetch. I was just waiting. What's going on, Randy? So TB's $ said just got a notification on for a YouTuber Bitcoin going to 50. Bitcoin going to 50K. Nice dream, but not seeing it. Oh man. So for Bitcoin to go to 50K right now, it's going to take a lot of energy, guys. And yeah, it's going to take a lot of energy right now. Right now, look, everything's looking weak. Everything's looking weak. We are forming some type of resistance right here, but this resistance right here, to me right now, let's see, because you know we had a little buy button, I mean a candle right here. To me that doesn't mean anything yet. We'll see tomorrow, but overall everything looks weak. This could be another fake out, and it's going to continue to go down. So overall, let's look at Tron. So, you know, the name of the stream is Hodling Dead. You know, it's Hodling Dead, and you know, is buy and hold dead? It's not dead, but at the same time, this year, buy and hold it's not working out. Okay, buy and hold is not working out. It's not dead, but this year it's not working out. We've been going down for 7 months straight. So in this business, you have to, especially if you want to make that short-term money. It seems like a lot of people want to make short-term money, even though they claim they are long-term investors. It seems like they want short-term money because if you are a long-term investor, you shouldn't get mad if the market is going down. So I think most people want to be short-term investors, but so buy and hold right now, this year is probably not the best strategy to have. So that's why it's very good to have multiple strategies in place. I know some of you guys are new, and you know it's kind of it's really, you know, not your fault that, you know, you've seen your market your portfolio disappear. It's kind of not your fault because you new to this market and you looking at, you know, the news and these YouTubers. So it's kind of not your fault, but at the same time, you do have to learn your market, learn how things work, so you can benefit from these temporary swings in the market. So right now, Tron has been basically going down, and for your guys that's hollering, this year is probably not a good year for that strategy, especially if you want to buy and hold. So let me see if I set up a small stop and out of that studded green ditto, messed up my plans. So what happened, Dom? You was out? You guys stopped out or what? Yeah, okay. So I'm reading these comments, guys. Give me a second. What's going on, GR8? Good to see you here. And good to see anybody that's new to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. Welcome anybody that's new to my channel. So TRX, like I said, TRX, we had this resistance line right here for the longest. As soon as we hit this resistance line, sellers came in, and ever since then, the market just been going down with TRX. So buy and hold, does it work? It's not completely dead, but right now things are not bullish. So it's probably best to have multiple strategies in place so you can take advantage of these swings that's going on in the market. Okay. Like I said, some of you guys that just came into the crypto world, is, you know, it's kind of not your fault that you basically experiencing these drawdowns, but at the same time, you definitely have to still educate yourself and figure out how the market works. So let's see if I see any questions. So Trans said TRX is not going to the moon anytime soon. Shout out to Trans. So Trans, are you new to my channel, Trans? Are you new to my channel, Trans? Shout out to Trans. What's going on, Ashwin? Okay, so you've been here before. Okay. I hear you. Yeah, the whole market right now is just weak. Like I said, guys, it's bear markets take time. It's just how it works. Um, it just doesn't reverse on a dime like that. And this triple bottom is too obvious for the market to reverse. It's too obvious for the market to reverse. So I definitely see more downside. I definitely see the market going down a little bit more. But that's a good thing, guys. You can't for you guys that's new to this cryptocurrency world, that's a good thing, because you can actually make money while things are going down. Don't limit yourself. You can actually make money while things are going down. The way to make money in this business, you have to basically treat it like a business. Most people really don't treat this like a business. They treat it like a hobby. They come on YouTube, they make comments, stupid comments on people YouTube channels, but they don't take time to study the market. You have to treat this like a business, because you have to remember you are risking your hard-earned money. So you don't want to throw away your hard-earned money. So learn how things work, treat it like a business, and trust me, you would do much better. People are talking about inverse head and shoulders. So will that happen? Anything is possible, but we have a lot of resistance. We have some buying coming in on the 4 hour, but it's just a green bar. Okay, it's just a green bar that's coming in, and we can actually just continue to go down. Now, if this thing goes up, like I said, there's multiple things can happen. Basically, we can create a double top here, or we can break this 68 level and maybe go up a little bit and probably reverse that back down. But I don't know. Since my thing is, since if it went down this slow, my thing is I don't think it wants to go up this high again. Honestly, I don't think it wants to go this high again. I think at best maybe a double top and then continue to go down. But it's healthy for you guys that's new to this channel. It's healthy for the market to go down, because what it's doing is wiping out a lot of these scams that's in the market. We have a lot of scams in the market, so the market has to get rid of these guys. And when we go down, that's how we get rid of them. And while we're waiting for the bulls to come back, we can actually make money. And that's pretty much what I've been trying to say throughout my whole live streams. People just, some people can't get my message. But, I like cryptocurrencies the same way you like them. I'm holding them too. But, I'm a professional, so I do things a little bit differently. So, overall, I'm just basically taking my time and waiting for the market to go down a little bit more, because I can tell the market is so weak. It doesn't really want to reverse right now. So I will take advantage when the market goes down. Somebody want to look at DGB. There's nothing going on with that, Dom. Let me see what's going on in the chat room. So GRA says, sorry, I'm late. I traded and made $20 on the last swing. So shout out to GRA. He made $20 on that last swing. So shout out to him. Good to see you here. Yeah, nothing going on with Digibite. Basically, it's holding this little channel that we're in, but nothing's going on with that. It has to, in order for this to turn bullish, it has to break this and keep on making high highs. So let's go to, I want to see BNB real quick. I didn't check that real quick. I didn't check that lately, actually. See, okay, so guys, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Okay. I didn't really look at this lately, but this is what I'm talking about. So I remember someone asked me about BNB, and then say, hey, you know, BNB been bullish. And I said, okay, yeah, let me look at this. And I looked at it and I was like, you know what? It looks bullish, but I don't trust it, because the way it's going up is going up so slow. Okay. So when you have an up move like this and it's struggling to go up, if you notice how we was going up in a channel, right? And it was struggling to go up. This is why it's very, 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 very good to study the market and study the charts. I know some of you guys are new, so I understand. But notice how clean we went up right here. You see how clean we went up right here? No struggle at all. Even though we consolidated right here, we broke up, and you see how clean we went up right here. Now notice how long it's taken BNB to go up right here. Okay, so I told you guys I didn't like that action, and for BNB to go bullish, it has to break this channel to the upside. We never did that, and guess what? We broke it to the downside, and it looks like we are going down with BNB. So I had these lines on it for a long time. I didn't check BNB for a long time, but now I'm checking it, and it seemed like it is breaking to the downside. And this is why I tell you guys it's good to learn how to read the charts, because BNB was holding up, but I knew eventually, I felt eventually that it was going to pull back, because the overall market is pulling back. Even though BNB does have a product, right, and it does have a company that's actually doing something, at the same time, I'm quite sure they are losing. The revenue is not the same. I'm quite sure, you know, people either are selling their coins and they withdrawing, or the trading slowed down. So I'm quite sure the business is not the same like it was back in January. Okay, so that's why eventually it was going to catch up to the market and slightly go down. Now we'll see how far this thing will go down, but that's why I didn't really trust it. That's why I tell you guys all the time, I'm not, as of right now, I'm not looking to buy nothing. You know, things always look good in a bear market, but I understand how bear markets work. We don't know how long they will last. So let me see if I see any questions. Dude, I saw my favorite YouTuber tell me TRX is mooning a little bit. Fesh said somebody told him that TRX is mooning. I wish it was mooning. You know, I wish I had some good news. But overall, TRX is going down. You know? And like I said before, you know, sometimes it's not your fault. Because I know some of you guys is new, so you know, a new person, when they come to an industry and they hear a lot of stuff, they just, you know, I guess start to believe a lot of stuff because that's all they know. So right now, it's just, unfortunately, we are in the bear market. Okay. And right now is the best time just to learn about your market. So let's go down and see if I see any questions. Hey, what's going on, Rajel? I'm reading questions. Trapper Keeper said a lot of people are losing money. Hodling is for suckers. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. He said Hodling is for suckers. Um, I'm with you on that one, Ben. Um, BTC, I'm down. I'm trying to read these questions, guys. You said BTC is held down by Mt. Gox selling off too. I don't know if Mt. Gox is selling off. If they are, then I know a lot of people are selling off, because you have to understand, we had the market cap was at 500, no 830 something billion. Okay, so we lost 500 billion, right? We lost 500 billion. So you have to understand that that's not retailers selling, that's the big dogs selling. So you have to ask yourself, why are they selling like this? Let me see. So Fesh said these hacks are most likely inside jobs, and I told you guys that a couple of streams ago. Okay, I told you guys that a couple of streams ago that some of these exchanges claim they getting hacked, but it's them taking the money. Okay, it's them taking the money. So you have to understand that we all are in a industry that is full of scammers, and that's why the government is trying to crack down. That's why the government is trying to crack down, because they know what's going on, And a lot of these so-called hackers, or exchanges, they claim that these hackers are hacking the exchanges, but it's them taking the money. So we are basically dealing with, see, the thing with cryptocurrency is the way it's the way it's designed right now. It should not be, it should be designed much better, right? Because number one, we are dependent on exchanges, and a lot of these exchanges are basically greedy. We should have a setup where we don't have to depend on an exchange, right, to buy Bitcoin or buy buy Ethereum or any of these altcoins. So we depend on these exchanges too much, right? So to me, it's this market, this crypto market is not fully this decentralized, like it should be. So there's a lot of work that cryptocurrencies, the market, has to do, because it's just right now it's just strictly a lot of greedy people that has a lot of power and money, and they taking advantage of people that don't know any better. Okay, so we have a lot of scams going on. I'm quite sure that a lot of these exchanges that claim they are getting hacked, trust me, they are taking these money. They are taking the money, and they saying they basically being hacked. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see an article come out saying that these guys are get arrested or something like that, because this is crazy. So yeah, cryptocurrency, we have a lot grown up to do. A lot of people don't understand that. We have a lot grown up to do. We have to grow up a lot, because we depend on these big exchanges too much. I wish it was another way where we don't have to depend on these exchanges or nobody, right? Because a lot of these guys, a lot of these miners, a lot of these exchanges, they have too much power. So they can manipulate so much. They can manipulate a lot, the prices, what's going on, So is cryptocurrency really decentralized if we have people that on the top that are so corrupt and they are willing to scam people? So it's, we have a lot of work to do. So let's go back to see if I see any questions. Hey, what's going on, Mr. Sandy? Dawas, I think I'm saying that right. Dwas, he said Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin is not going up. Where do you see Bitcoin going up? Dwas, I believe that's your name. You said Bitcoin is going up. Yeah, this is just a regular green candle. It's not going up. It's just a little green candle that popped up. You know, we have a lot of resistance here. Let's see if it pops. Let's see if it goes through this resistance. And then let's see if it can reach the high again. But for right now, it's just a regular pullback. And you can tell that this is fake buys right here, right? Fake buys. The volume is still low. The volume is still low, so there's no real buys here. So anyway, let's go back to chat room. Let's see if I see any questions. I hear that, Fetch. You said, what's my thoughts on Neo? I don't have no thoughts on Neo. I don't have no thoughts on anything right now because everything is going down. I can look at the chart, you know, but I have no thoughts on anything right now. I'm not looking to buy nothing. I'm just looking to see what's going on with the market. Because buying in a bear market is basically reckless. I've been doing this too long. I've been doing this for 10 years plus to know that buying in a bear market is just completely dangerous, and you might as well just give your money to the homeless, because if you want to survive, you have to just watch out. So right now, Neo is in this channel, and it seemed like we found resistance right here. So it seemed like we found resistance right here, and we started to sell off. So everything is weak right now. I'm not looking to buy nothing. There's no real buyers. I go and look at the volume. I don't see no real buyers. Let's see if I see any questions. You said, and crypto is not even adopted in the world yet. It's very small percentage. Yeah, that's actually know about. Yeah, no. So it's crypto. Like I said, crypto, we have a lot of work to do. And, you know, it's just the beginning. But, you know, you have to understand that right now we have to just go down because we have to get rid of these coins. Some of these coins. So Fetch said, what do I think about China not using credit cards? Do you think crypto would be a perfect fit for a world like that? It's a possibility. It's a possibility, but it depends on what China wants. If they ban it, then, you know. But yeah, if they're going to not use credit cards no more and use QR codes, that would be, you know, cool for cryptocurrencies. But that's if the government wants that. Yeah, so businessman said cryptocurrency has a long way before the mass adoption. Exactly. Bruno, you said, do I favor a bullish candle formation or a volume drop? What do you mean by that, Bruno? Can you explain? Can you be a little bit more, you know, explain yourself a little bit more? Let's see if I see anything, any questions. GRA said no lie, the homeless was. Yeah, banks are definitely scared of cryptos, of course. Of course. Okay. So right now we have an obvious triple bottom right now with Bitcoin. We have an obvious triple bottom. Okay. A very obvious triple bottom. I know people were talking about inverse head and shoulders, but I know how reverse patterns work in the bear market. It's just, it's not the same, guys. It's not the same. Okay. You can't. It's hard to use bullish patterns in a bear market. So I'm just looking for this thing to go down a little bit more, you know. And we just have to wait. We're gonna get pullbacks. You know, when it goes down, we're gonna have pullbacks, and that's how the market works. So what do I think about the market pushing up like this? I don't think nothing about it. That's just a regular pullback. Okay. So Roger said they've been do that for 7 years now. What do you mean doing what for 7 years now? What they've been doing for 7 years? And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you are new to my channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I'm basically a professional day trader, and I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So I focus on reading the charts. Okay, this is what I do. And the question of the day is Hodling dead? Is Hodling dead? We was looking at TRX the other, just not too long ago. We was looking at TRX. And, is Hodling dead? I mean, basically, it's not dead, but this year is not a strategy that you probably want to have. Okay? This year is probably not a strategy that you want to have because, unfortunately, we're in a bear market. And we actually could continue to go down a little bit more. And you can have multiple strategies while you're waiting for the bulls to come, because the bulls could come another year or so. Okay. Me and my students basically been making money on a downside. And, if you are willing to change the way you think, you can actually do the same. You can actually do the same. I have a lot of people that's making money right now. So, it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to change the way you think. A lot of people are trying to time the bottom, and I tell them, guys, timing the bottom right now is a dangerous game because the force is down. All right. Imagine trying to time the top last year. That would be a dangerous game. That would be a dangerous game trying to time the top last year. You would have lost pretty much your whole bank account last year trying to time the top. And this is pretty much what's going on this year. It's just how markets work. When you have a volatile market like cryptocurrencies, it just, it goes up, but at the same time, it pulls back a lot too. So it goes up quick and then pulls back quick too. So right now we in a bear phase, and we pulling back, and basically it's taking a break. And you just have to understand that. So Fetch says 2 a.m. right now. You going to bed? So shout out to Fetch. He's going to bed. Thanks a lot for coming through. It's 2 a.m. where he's at. So good night, Fetch. Please get some sleep. Thanks a lot for coming through. So yes, guys, right now hodling is it's probably not the best strategy to have. That's why it's best to have multiple strategies. For 7 months, the market pretty much been going down. So as a professional, I look at the market. Trust me, it's much differently. Okay, I just don't just think about buying. I also try to protect my money, so I have to make money consistently. And right now, the flow of the market is down, so I'm making money to the downside right now until the bulls come back in. Until the bulls come back in, and guess what? When the bulls come back in, I will be buying this market. This is how it works. This is how I work. Okay. So let's get this over with. I have a I sponsor myself during the live stream. So let's get this over with so we can go back to the chat room. During this live stream, I sponsor myself. I give a 50% discount on my product, my quality product. And once you buy this product, you basically going to learn how a professional trader and investor makes his money. Okay, so this will show you how to read the market. This will show you how to understand how the market works, what cycle that we are in right now, because a lot of people don't understand that the market has different cycles. And if you keep on thinking that this is a bull cycle and you're trying to buy these dips, you are going to lose a lot of money, because it's a strong possibility that this will continue to go down. It's not because it's not because we wanted to go down, or other people wanted to go down. It's just how the market works. Okay. And right now we're in the bear cycle, so you have to realize that, understand that. You have to, if you are a investor, you have to accept that too, because that's just part of reality. That's just part of doing business. Okay. That's like having you open up a business, a storefront, and you have to pay, let's say you pay overhead, and you have employees, and then let's say that some of your employees steal money out of your thing. That's business, right? You have to accept that it's a possibility that some of your employees will try to steal things from you, but you have to understand that that's just part of business, and you just keep running your business and try to make sure that doesn't happen. But at the same time, you have to know it's a possibility, right? And then you keep going. Most people don't even think that it's a possibility we will, continue to go down, and because they think that every year we're going to be an up year. Okay. We've been going up for a long time now, So the market is tired, is pausing, it's taking a break, and you just have to understand that. Okay. So that's why it's real good to learn. A lot of you guys that's new to the crypto world, trust me, it's not your fault that you don't know what's really going on, because you knew, and you're still learning, and it's a lot of junk on YouTube. So it's really not your fault that you think that every year the market will go up. But I'm here to tell you that some years the market just don't go up. It's just how it works. Okay, just study. You don't have to believe me. Go to Bitcoin chart, study Bitcoin chart. You will see it yourself. Okay. 2013, the market went down for 2 years straight. Okay. And then it took another 3 years to go back to the high. Okay. So you don't have to listen to me. Just study the chart. Every year, it's not an up year. So you have to learn how the market works, learn your industry, learn your market. And with this course, I will basically show you everything. I have 10 years of experience. Actually, next month is going to be 11 years. Okay, so you're getting 11 years of experience of a guy that's doing this every single day. I wake up every single day at 9:30 when the market opens, because I trade the futures market, and I'm in this every single day. This is what I do. Okay, so you're gonna get that type of experience, and This course is not about day trading though. It's about swing trading. So if you have a 9 to 5, you can definitely take advantage of this. So don't think, you have to be in front of your computer. No, we're going to deal with the long-term charts. And a lot of people that took this course is basically making a lot of money. I have a lot of testimonials. Just scroll down, you see a lot of testimonials. Actually, I copy and paste these testimonials over here. These are testimonials from my live stream. So this is people that making money right now. So I have a lot of people that's making money from this course. So if you want to take advantage of this course, basically it's a discount for just for the live stream. 110, 50% off. Let me copy and paste that link. And like I said, I don't know you guys right now. I don't know you really like that. You new guys that's on my live stream, I don't know what you're dealing with. I don't know your current situation. I'm quite sure some of you guys' portfolio is down, and you probably you're mad and you don't understand what's going on. And also you want to make money because you probably hate your job and you want to make more money so you can quit your job. So this product would be perfect for you, because I will show you how to become a professional, how to increase your monthly cash flow. And the good thing about this is this course is basically recession proof. What that means is it will show you how to make money when the market is going up and when the market is going down. Okay. And it would pretty much make you a professional. So if you hate your job right now, if you want to learn how to make money monthly consistently, this is something that you want to get. And like I said, I have testimonials. Actually, I have a new one. A guy, Corey. Actually, let me read his email real quick. Let me read his email. His email said, he said, "Hey Ben, thanks again for the course. I thought I never be able to understand this stuff in my life, and the course literally made it." He said, in my life, and your course literally made it stupid easy to learn. Below is a pic of me shorting BTC last night for a nice little come up. Thanks again, Corey. So shout out to Corey. Corey actually made $297.75. And I asked him, can I show the live stream guys this? So shout out to Corey. He actually making money right now. And this is what I'm talking about. You have people that are new to this, don't know nothing about shorting, right? And they get this course and they start to make money. So I asked him, can I show my audience this? And he said yes. So shout out to Corey. He made $297 on his first trade. So $297.75. So shout out to him. And that's what education can do for you. Okay, I've been doing this too long to recognize what's really going on. It's a strong possibility we will continue to go down because this market is too weak, because it's really no buyers coming in. Okay, and my students is making money. So it's up to you if you want to make this money. I just copy and paste this link. Just take advantage of this, because as soon as I get off, it's going right back to 210. So shout out to Corey, guys. Corey is making his money. Congratulate Corey, because Corey is making his money. So Corey, if you are in this live stream or if you are watching this, congratulations. So shout out to Corey. So let's go back to the chat. Let's see if I see any questions. And I like to see that, because you don't have to, you don't understand, guys. I have people that email me and complain about the market and tell me how their portfolio is going down. And then when they get this course, they making money, and I like to see that. So let's see if I see any questions. Let me take a sip of water real quick. Let me take a sip of water. Okay, so let's see if I see any questions real quick. Left lane said cop the course. Thanks a lot, left lane. So Rajo said, do you see the stock market today? What do you mean? What about the stock market, Rajo? What about it? So Bruno said bullish or bearish. I don't get what you're saying, Bruno. You said bullish or bearish. What do you mean by that? I'm reading these comments right now, so give me a second. Give me a second. I'm reading these comments. You said how much to invest in that to get that kind of yield? You talking about what Corey got? I don't know how much Corey got, but you don't need that much to make 297. You don't need that much to make this amount right here. You can, depending on how far the market is going, you can do that with $100. But it all depends on how far the market is going. I don't know if he used, it seems like his account, I think he got 1K in his account. So he probably used, you know, $800 to make that. But I have a lot of people that started with $100 and they doubled their account already. Let's go back to the charts. Let's see if I see something going on with the 4 hours. Let's see if I see any thing going on. So basically, we had this little pop. That's normal. That's normal. Bitcoin always doing these pops. So we'll see what's going on. We'll see either by tomorrow. Tomorrow's what, Friday? So we'll see what's going on. So let's see if I have any questions. Let's see if I have any questions. I don't see Keith here. Keith is probably out chilling. So TRX guys, for you guys that's holding, is Hodling dead? No, Hodling is not dead, but at the same time, it hasn't been working this year. So you have to learn how to understand what type of year it is, and then change the strategy, change up your strategy. That's why it's best to have multiple strategies. Okay, so that's why when I was going over this thing it was Sunday, most people investment strategies does not account for a recession. Okay, so what that simply means is when the market is going down, a lot of people don't have a strategy for that. They don't have a strategy, and they just wait until the market rebound. Okay, but you have to have a strategy in place if you don't want to see your money disappear. You have to treat this like a business, understand how it works. You can take advantage of these swings in the market. This is what me and my students been doing. We've been taking advantage of these swings. That's why I said this course is recession proof, because if the market is going down, we can still make this money. We can still make this money. It's not going to affect us, okay? So let's see if I see any questions. Sonia, you said bearish trend with pullbacks and key support levels. As key support levels. I don't know if you are asking me a question. I don't know if that is a question or not. So let me see if I see anything. So Self-Made said 11 years experience in the crypto market. No, Self-Made. Self-Made, are you new to my channel? If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for stopping by. No, I have 11 years with the stock market. Okay. I swing trade the crypto market. The same patterns that you see in the stock market, I use them in the crypto market. So shout out to Self-Made. Let me know if you are new to this live stream. Self-Made, let me know. Oh, there we go, Corey. I didn't see Corey. Shout out to Corey. Corey is in the building, guys. Corey is in the building. I didn't see Corey, so Corey is in the building, guys. Corey is in the building, so shout out to him. Corey is the one that made, guys. He's the one that made $297.75 from this course that he received. He bought this course and he basically made $297.75. I didn't see him, but he's on it. He's in his live stream right now. So congratulations, Corey. Shout out to him. Let's see if I see any questions. So A said, first thing I want to do is eliminate all my debt in my credit cards, pay off my car, my student's loan, save up 25% for a down payment for a nice house. Everything goes as planned. So shout out to Ace. That sounds like a good plan. He wants to eliminate all his debt and pay off his car and student loans. Of course. That's not a bad move. And he said, I do want to quit my 9-to-5 job. I hear you, man. I hear you. Because you know, your 9-to-5 job is a trap. It's a trap, guys, you know. The world that we live in right now is pretty much a trap. The world that we live in right now, the things, the way it's set up, we have traps everywhere. Okay? The school system is a trap. Because the school is basically, they give you just enough information just to get by so you can go to work, right? And then your 9-to-5 is a trap because they give you just enough money so you can come back and work for them. So everything that we do in life is a trap, and it's set up like that on purpose. And this is why I come on here and try to give you guys some knowledge so you can think a different way. I wish I had the money making skills that I have right now. I wish I had these skills, you know, back in the days. Because we've been taught to save, get a job, go to college, invest in a 401k, buy and hold, right? Retire until we're 65 years old. And some of that stuff can pay off, but for the most part, it's not going to pay off because I look at most people, and when they retire, they're not really rich. Okay, and not even that. Like, I don't want to wait until I'm 65. Why have to wait? So that's what I did. That's why I bust my butt and I grind and I took a lot of risk. I lost a lot of money. I lost probably like around 85,000. Okay, but it was worth it because now I can go anywhere in the world, anywhere. Open my laptop and I can trade and make money. You know, I've been doing this full time. So, you know, it pays off. And, you know, like I said, the problem with those stuff, you know, following society, their rules, the problem with that is basically they limit you. Society limits you, and you have to understand who controls society. You have to ask yourself, why do we have that information? Who is telling us to go to school? Who is telling us to buy and hold and wait until we're 65 to retire? Who is telling us this? right? You have to ask yourself this. Like, you have to start asking questions. Who is telling us this? Because for the most part, it doesn't sound right. And you start to dig, you know, more, and you start to find out, you know, this society is actually controlled by the rich, and the rich wants you to buy and hold and be lazy and go to college and go to school and do whatever they want you to do, because it's all a trap. It's all a trap. They want you to get just enough so you can get by and continue to work for them, you know? So for me personally, that's why I don't buy and hold, because buy and hold is a trap, because you locking in your money, and you have your money locked into the system, right, into the market, and they can do anything with your money. At any moment, the market could reverse, crash, and you sitting and waiting and being patient with your money. So these guys give you, right, they give you, they want you to buy and hold so they can actually have you trapped in the market while they're selling and taking your money. And this is why buy and hold is not my main strategy. My main strategy is basically, how can I make this monthly income, guys? How can I make cash flow? That's the name of the game, cash flow. Every time I come on here, I tell you guys, I do this for a living. So I'm telling you guys what's the deal. Most people that are in cryptocurrencies, they're not doing this for a living. Right? So they can't really tell me, you know, what's the deal. Right? They come here and they tell me, oh, well, you know, what happened last year? The people that, you know, bought and hold. Yeah, last year, right? Or, you know, a couple of years ago. But you have to understand, every single year it doesn't happen. You know, every single year the market doesn't go up forever. And the people that got in Bitcoin that was, you know, in the beginning, those are people that really, really benefit from this stuff. But anybody could have benefited from in the beginning, because it was on the ground floor. But now things are changing, because we went up so much, guys. We went up to 19K. That's a lot. A lot. So right now we're pulling back. If you understand how the market works, it has cycles, right? Study the market. Study. You don't have to believe what I say. Study Bitcoin. Study the chart. Go back. Go back to 2013 when we had that crash. How long it took to get out that crash. Okay, so that's why me personally, as a professional, I can't buy and hold, because I can't tie up my money like that. And I know how the rich operates. I know how they work. So I know they want me to tie up my money, and I'm not going to give them what they want. I'm going to think the same way they think, so I can actually make the same money they make, because these guys are literally like on top of their game. Okay, they make money whether the market is going up or down. Okay, this is called a recession-proof strategy. And this is why I showed you this article the other day. 68% of Americans, right, the investment strategy does not account for recession. So what that simply means is, if the market goes down and continue to go down, they don't have a strategy in place that will protect them. And this is not just the crypto market. This is the stock market too. So I'm trying to give you guys the game, but some of you guys don't want to hear the game. I'm saying, guys, you can actually take advantage of what's going on right now in front of your face. There's plenty of money to be made. There's plenty of money to be made. It's right in front of your face. Study the market. Study how you can make money on these swings. And take advantage of this stuff. Because nobody's going to tell you this stuff on YouTube. Nobody's going to tell you this stuff. So shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If I just rely on my buy and hold strategy, guys, I wouldn't be able to do this full time. Okay, I wouldn't be able to do what I do full time. If I just rely on my buy and hold strategy, that means for 7 months straight, I wouldn't be able to pay bills. I wouldn't be able to go on vacations. I wouldn't be able to have fun for 7 months straight, and we can actually continue to go down more. So that's why I can't. I won't allow myself to get trapped. And I'm trying to like really show you guys what's really going on, and some of you guys just don't get it. I'm not trying to talk down to nobody. I'm not trying to act, say things because I'm negative or anything like that. I'm trying to give you guys the game because I've been in this game for so long. Some of you guys just don't want to wake up. What's wrong with having another strategy on the side while you wait for the bulls to come in? What's wrong with even if you want to hold onto your coins? What's wrong with having another strategy on the side that allows you to make monthly income? I don't understand what's wrong with that, right? And then you have guys that go to their job and they basically, I know they hate their job. I know you hate your job. It's a trap, right? Most people, how I knew I was going to become successful is because when people are saying, and this is when I didn't really have no money. When people are saying, oh man, this costs a lot, or this costs a lot, or blah, 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 they complain about prices. In my head, I was saying, man, these guys don't even know that there's a lot of money out here. And this is when I first started the stock market. Even though I wasn't making money, I saw the opportunities out here. And I saw how much money I could make a day. So imagine going to the gas station and not caring how much the gas is per gallon. Imagine going to the store and not caring how much things cost. That's the level that you want to get in. That's the level you want to go to. You right? You want to get to that level where you don't care how much gas costs. You just put the gas in and you just leave. You don't care how much milk costs. You don't care how much your grocery costs, dinner costs. You just get it and leave. But some of you guys just don't get it. You don't want to get it. And sometimes I just shake my head. So let's see if I see any questions. Let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Corey said, do you think this is a bull trap right now? Let me see. 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, every pullback in the market, to me, since the market is going down, is considered a bull trap. So, yes. Lately, this market really hasn't proven itself that it can actually go up for a long time, right? Ever since we had this big drop last month, the market really never proved to us that it can go up and have a deep pullback. And that 68 level is really strong, guys. It's really strong. So, I mean, it's always a possibility that we can actually go up to the 68 level, break it, and go up to the 77 level. But honestly, I don't think it's that many buyers out here. I don't think it's that many buyers out here right now. So Trent said, thoughts on Robinhood for stocks? They recently added crypto. Robinhood for stocks. I don't use Robinhood because I day trade, and I heard that their platform is not good for day trading. Maybe if you want to swing trade, yeah, you could probably use it. Swing trading is basically like holding something for 2 days or a week or 2 weeks. So that would be good for Robinhood. I never used it for crypto at all, but I heard about that too. So I'm reading these comments. So Roger said ETF brings new money and volume. I wouldn't necessarily say that. It brings new money, but we don't know if that money wants to make crypto go up. Right? You have to ask yourself, okay, what new money is that? Okay, is that real? Is that retail money, or is that, the big dogs? Because people claim that the ETFs is a good thing, but okay, if the ETFs comes in, who's gonna buy? Is it the retailers or the big investors? And also you saw what happened with the futures, so we can't depend on ETFs. Actually, we can't depend on Wall Street. Wall Street, guys, you don't understand how Wall Street think about. I know a guy. I have a guy right now. Okay, I have a guy right now. One of my close friends. He used to work on Wall Street. He used to work on Wall Street. Now he used to work for a hedge fund. Now he doesn't. He basically trades for himself. He has his own trading company. He trades for himself. And this guy has a lot of money, okay? I'm talking about millions of dollars. And I know how these Wall Street guys think about crypto. They don't like it, guys. They don't like crypto at all. They think it's a piece of junk. And they don't believe in it. So don't think that Wall Street is going to save cryptocurrencies. The same way most people, thought that the futures were going to save it. So let me go back. Yeah, shout out to Sonia. Yes, I do. I understand what you're saying. It's hard for someone to jump into a burning house, because right now the crypto is going down, so it's very hard for. That's why I said it's very hard for me to see anybody investing into the market while the market is going down. Let's see if I see any. Let's see if I see any. Let's see if I see any questions here. What's going on, Bobby? Bobby said he's on his lunch break. I'm planning to retire within a year. So shout out to Bobby. Bobby's planning to retire within a year. That's what I like to hear. I like to hear that, guys. And even though I'm 36 years old and I work for myself, I do consider myself consider myself retired, because the new retirement is actually working for yourself. Okay, retirement doesn't mean that you are just laying on the beach and not working. Retirement means that you can actually, you're not relying on corporate, right? You're not relying on a business to pay you a paycheck. So I consider myself retired right now. So even though, I still work and trade, I still trade, but I consider myself retired because I don't have to go to a regular 9 to 5. So shout out to who was that? Bobby. Let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, Crypto Long Wolf? What's going on, Crypto Long Wolf? Shout out to you. What's going on, Tony? You said what platform can you short Litecoin and Ethereum? Tony, did you get my course yet? If you get my course, I'll show you everything. You can short with BitMax. I think, was it another one, Kraken, I believe. I use Jaffax, a lot of these. So, when you get this course, I'll explain everything. If you are new to my channel, basically this course is 50% off right now. When I get off, it's going to go right back to 210. So if you want to take advantage of that, that will show you how to make money right now. Me and my students is basically make money. We are making money right now. And if you want to learn that, then take advantage of that. Let's see if I see any questions. So you said, is it true that 51 to 1 leverage is the high as one can offer legally here? Yeah. You talking about in US? Yeah, usually that's what you see in the Forex. So yes, they lowered the leverage for us. They dropped before, I think it was like 100 to 1. Now they dropped it to 50 to 1. Hey, what's going on, 45? Shout out to 45. Good to see you here. 45 making his money. Let's see if I see any questions. So Trent said, so start looking in this bear market for opportunities. Trent, yeah, we've been looking for opportunities for a long time, Trent. We've been looking for opportunities for a long time, Trent. For shorting, okay? That's what we do on my channel. We look for opportunities because the market been going down ever since January, Trent. So me and my students basically we've been shorting this market, and we've been making a lot of money. I showed you Corey. Corey made $297.75. That's just one of my students, and my other one. Let me show you another one. My top student. He actually made. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, here we go. My top student made $21,252.32. Okay, so we are making money out here, guys. If you go to my other testimonials, 600, 400, 270, 5%, 40. I mean, it's just money all over the place. So guys, this is what's going on here. Okay, so yes, we are looking for short opportunities because this is how the market works. If the market is going down, and they've been going down more than half of the year, there's a 90% chance it will continue to go down for the rest of the year. So me and my subscribers are looking to make money on the downside. And this course will show you everything step by step. It's only $110 right now. When I get off, it's going to be $210. So if you want to take advantage of that, you know, like I said, it's up to you. So shout out to Trance. Let's go back to the comment. Let's see if I see any questions. A said, I keep hearing rumors about Tron and Twitter. No, Tron, Tron and Twitter is not it's not a thing. Basically, Justin Sun, like I said, Justin Sun is you don't understand. Justin Sun is very smart, okay? And not only smart, I know he's connected. Because it's very hard to get a coin to go to the top 10. So he probably knows a guy. He probably knows a guy from Twitter. And he basically just took a picture with him. Okay? So let's look at that picture real quick. If I can see it. I don't know if it's still here. I don't know if he took down the picture. Oh, here we go. So Twitter has visited Tron office. So if you look at this picture doesn't say anything. It just says Twitter has joined Tron office. Okay. This guy could be just a regular employee, and he just knows Justin Sun. Okay. So it's not nothing. Twitter didn't say anything about partnering with Tron. It's just a regular picture, okay? So don't get too happy. We just have to be patient. That's all. So let's go down and see what's going on. Let's read some comments. Yes, that's for cryptos too. Oh man, I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. A said 50 to 1. No, you can use more than 50 to 1 if you want to on JFX. So Rajo said, you said crypto is going to save Wall Street. What do you mean by that, Rajo? So Businessman said, working for yourself is a new freedom. Have been doing that for years. So shout out to Businessman. He knows what I'm talking about. He knows what I'm talking about. And he knows that when you work for yourself, it's like basically it's very hard. If you work for yourself, it's very hard to go back to work, because that freedom feels so good. It feels so good, guys. It's a freedom that you can't explain. So shout out to Trance. Trance actually just picked up this course, guys. So shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. He just got this course, and basically he wants to study and learn how the professionals look at the market. Okay, he sees that a lot of people are making money, and he wants to be a part of that, and I don't blame him. I'm trying to wake a lot of people up, but some people just don't want to wake up. He want to be a part of the club that's making money. So shout out to Trans. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot. Let me see if I see any questions. So Sonia, you said sent you an email. I want to get your course. Thanks, Ben. Let's check the email. Let's see if I can see the email right now. You having problems getting the course? Sonia, you said you sent me an email. I don't see no email yet. I don't see no email, Sonia, so let me know. So let's go back to the comments. So shout out to Trance again. He actually picked up the course. Shout out to him. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot once again. I do appreciate it. Definitely do. So you want to buy my course using BTC. I don't see your email. Let me see if let me look in the spam box. Let me look in your spam box. Do you have my email? Because I don't see it. Yeah, but I don't see your email at all. Are you emailing me at the right address? Let me put my right email right here, okay? I just put my email. I just put my email in, and because I don't see your email at all. You said you want to pay with BTC. That's no problem, but I don't see the email. So Sean says speculating. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by speculating, Sean? Hey, what's going on, 9/11? Yeah, Sonia, please email me again because I don't see your email at all. What's going on, Bambino? If I didn't say hi already. Dom, are you out? Okay, you said you're going to bed. Okay, so shout out to Dom. But Dom is going to bed. Shout out to him. So right now, Tron Holders is Hodling Dead. It's not dead, but this year, it basically it's probably not the right strategy to have because it's a bear year and the bears and the sellers is basically taking over. So you have to learn how to make money multiple ways. You have to learn how to make money multiple ways. And the way that we are making money, we basically right now we making money to the downside until the bulls come through. Okay. All right. So as soon as I get off of this live stream, Sonia, I will email you right away. So for you guys that's joining me for the first time, thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate it. And basically what I've been saying through this whole live stream is the market is really no new buyers coming in right now. Be careful to try to time these bottoms. People get so happy when they see green bars like this and they think it's a reversal. What I say is the best thing to do in a bear market is to learn. It's to learn. Let's learn how the market works. That's the best thing to do in a bear market, because the bear market, what a bear market would do is it will literally, number one, it will humble you, right? And not only that, it will show you that you don't know anything. Okay? A bear market will humble you, and it will show you that you don't know jack, you know what. Okay? So that's what a bear market would do to you. It will show you don't know nothing. And me personally, I had to learn the hard way. And some of you guys that's new, you don't have to learn the hard way if you are willing to learn how the market works. Trust me, I lost so much money trying to time bottoms, time tops. That's a dangerous game. And right now, the market is humbling a lot of people. Okay? That's what a bear market would do to you. It will show you that you don't know jack, you know what, because you've been trying to time the bottom ever since January, and basically your timing is off. No one knows the bottom, so stop acting like you know the bottom. Okay? Look for confirmation. Look to see if bias is coming in, and even then, that's a dangerous game. Just wait until we have a decent up move. We've been pointing down for the longest. So Crypto Lottery said you are anti hodl. What do you mean? You asking me, or are you saying that you are? What's going on, Tino? I don't know what you mean by that, Crypto Lottery. You mean that you are anti hodl, or are you asking me a question? So Tony said, I bought your course, Ben. I wish you were streaming back in January. I would save so much money. Shout out to Tony, guys. Shout out to Tony. He said he wish I was streaming back in January. He was saving so much money. Shout out to him, man. Yeah, that's what this market is doing right now. It's humbling. Okay, so Crypto Lottery said he's anti-hodl. Okay. So are you new to my channel, Crypto Lottery? 'Cause I don't think I saw you before. Are you new to the channel? So let's see if I see any questions. Shout out to 911. He's checking in. And Sean, what do you mean by speculating? You still didn't answer me. And I'm looking at some questions, so I don't really see anything. So basically, yeah, with me, I had to learn how the market worked. Okay. It took me a long time to figure out how the market works, because it's very easy to think that you are a genius when everything is going up, right? So you have a period where, you know, things are just so easy, right? You can just buy and make a lot of money. And then when you try to use that same strategy when the market is going down, you realize that, man, you really wasn't a genius, and you didn't know anything about the market. You just got lucky last year because the market was just going up. And as a professional, you have to understand how the market works, and understand how to take advantage of both sides. So let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here, because I definitely am thirsty right now. Let's see if I see anything on Ethereum. I don't really see anything on Ethereum yet. It's just basically same thing with Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin, because we pretty much all these coins is in this stupid channel right here. It seemed like it's going down forever. I'm not gonna lie. It seemed like we've been going down forever. XRP. See, all these coins are following this channel, and it's just like it's taking forever. But be honest with you guys, it feels like a big dump is coming. A real big dump is coming, and I just don't know when. That dump is probably gonna be followed by some bad news. Let's see if I see anything. Yes, smash the likes. Shout out to 911, smash the likes for free. Shout out to 911, hit those likes. You said it's raining in Memphis. A nasty 3K. Yeah, man. Because right now, like I said before, guys, you know, I don't like what I see in the crypto world right now. You know, if it was up to me, you know, this would be much better, because I don't like how I see it. You know, it's supposed to be this decentralized, but it's not really, because you have these exchanges really controlling a lot of stuff. You got these exchanges basically claiming that they are getting hacked, but we don't know for sure if they're getting hacked. It's probably an inside job, and they probably taking the money. So there's a lot of scams going on. We have to, you know, get rid of these guys and get rid of these scam coins, and the market has to grow. See, the thing with human beings is we are greedy, okay? So, you know, cryptocurrencies was a good idea, but at the same time, when you have corrupt people and greedy people that come into space, then it mess up everything. So let's see if I see anything. Yeah, grow the right way. So 911 said, if someone holding BTC, should they short now? Of course, I can't give nobody financial advice right now. I can't give nobody financial advice right now, but BTC is looking weak. It's looking weak right now. But 9/11, you didn't miss anything, because it just started. Every pullback could be an opportunity for anybody to get in. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. Yes, Left Lane said the 19K spike was not natural, and I agree with him. You know, the spike wasn't natural, guys. Okay, we have to grow the right way. We can't grow so quick, because if it goes up this quick, then guess what? It can go down quick too. So we have to grow nice and steady. And be honest with you, it shouldn't be. We should be using this like a regular currency. Everybody shouldn't want to. Everybody shouldn't be holding coins like it's some treasure or something like that. So that said, this whole right now, this whole cryptocurrency space is all twisted. You know, you have people that claim that they are in it for the technology, but I don't think they are, because they just holding these coins like it's some, you know, precious metal. This is not what it was designed for. It was designed so we can exchange it back and forth, you know, and not hold it like it's a piece of metal. So we have a lot to grow, you know, a lot growing to do. Let's see if I see any questions. Crypto Lottery said, I lost 15K hodling. Never again. Okay, never again. This is why. Who said that with one of my testimonials? Let me see who said it. It was Andrew. Andrew said, I realize hodl should not be my only strategy. Laugh out loud. Jeez, I was closed-minded. Okay, that's one of my testimonials, and basically, hodling, like I said before, it shouldn't be your main strategy, because it's a dangerous strategy, because number one, you are allowing people that are very intelligent and has a lot of money. You're allowing them to take advantage of you at any moment. Okay, they can take advantage of you at any moment, because the market could reverse and it could continue to go down. So hodling is a strategy for it's a long-term strategy, but it shouldn't be your main strategy, because if you have most of your wealth into the market, you have to deal with these brutal swings. You have to deal with these brutal market crashes, right? When the market crash, you have to deal with that while you're holding. So to me, it's not even worth dealing with those crashes and putting all your money into the market. You should, if you want to hodl, you can hodl, but you should have a certain percentage that you hodling, and then have another percentage based on having another strategy where you can make money based on these swings in the market. Guys, the market is man, I think people just don't understand how much money you can make, right? The market doesn't go down in a straight line, okay? We have these swings, right? Up and down, up and down. That's how the market goes, okay? You can take advantage of all these swings. When the market goes up, pull back, take advantage of these swings, pull back, take advantage of these swings. You can just continue to make money. People just don't understand that, okay? Right now we are in the down market, unfortunately. Unfortunately, a lot of people got caught at the top. And shout out to Crypto Lottery. He said he lost 15K hodling. So I do feel his pain, because, you know, a lot of people email me and say, Ben, I lost this, I lost that. Someone told me I lost close to 30K. Another person said I lost 150K, right? And this is a person that's about to retire. So Tony said he lost 7K from hodling, right? So at the same time, you have a lot of people losing money from hodling, and you have these YouTubers telling you to hodl, right? You have these YouTubers telling you, guys, be patient, don't worry, hodl, right? Things is going to be okay. Meanwhile, you have us, right? A small group that you probably don't know of. You probably never heard of us before. We are making money while you are losing money, okay? We are making money right now because we understand how the market works. We understand the market doesn't go up, it doesn't go down in a straight line. It has swings, right? you can take advantage of these swings in the market. Most people just don't want to do that. They just want to wait, hold. You know, we don't know when this market is going to reverse because I'm looking at history. History told me that, shoot, this could be years before the market reverse, right? Go back and look at Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart. Back in 2013, when we crashed, if you bought at the top, you know, you was holding for a long time. You was holding for 5 years. I don't know about you, but I don't have 5 years or 10 years to wait. I don't have that. You know, I don't have that time. So I'd rather make money now and live the way supposed to live, right? You deserve a better life. Why do you want to waste 5 to 10 years of your life waiting for a coin or hoping? Actually, that's the good word to use, hoping for a coin to go up. Why are you wasting your time? You deserve more than that. Okay, you deserve to make money, live the life that you're supposed to live, and you just want to listen to other people because that's the famous saying right now, right? A lot of people just want to be a part of a group because most people say hodl, right? And they want to be a part of a group. So they feel special when they say hodl, right? They feel special because they are part of this community. But being a part of a community is not going to make you money. How you make money is understand how things work. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Julio said, I lost 13K. You see what I'm talking about? Shout out to Julio. Thanks for coming in, Julio. He lost 13K. Right? And to me, that's sad. I shake my head when I see stuff like that because you have YouTubers that's coming on YouTube reviewing they still reviewing these ICOs, guys. They still reviewing ICOs. These ICOs is not going to make you no money, right? They still come on here reviewing ICOs, telling you to be patient, buy the dips. This is how I know these guys are not doing this for real. No professional would tell you, right? No real professional would tell you to buy a dip when the market is going down and it's a bear market. No professional would tell you that. This is how I know these guys are not the real deal, right? You can tell the real from the fake nowadays. You know how? You know how you can actually tell the real from the fake? Because the fake, basically, they made money last year. And, the market was just going up. So anybody could say, hey, man, this is going to happen. This is going to happen. Right? But the fake, the reason how you can tell the real from the fake is the fake is telling you to keep buying. While the market is going down, while the market is in the bear market, they're telling you to keep buying. That's how you know they are fake. Right? The real is telling you guys to chill out, calm down, be careful. Look for confirmation before you buy anything, right? You can actually make money right now while the market is going down, while you wait for the bulls to come in. You can make money right now. That's a real professional, okay? But a lot of people want to get caught up in being in a community because it sounds fun, right? They think it's a game. They think it's a game and it sounds cute. But this is not cute. This is your hard-earned money that you are losing. So it's time to wake up, time to get serious, and learn what's really going on. You said crypto give you PTSD. I'm scared to get back in. I hear you, man. I hear you. Shout out to Lottery, Crypto Lottery. He's scared to get back in. So shout out to you. I understand your pain, Crypto Lottery. I understand your pain, but don't let your loss control you. Don't let your fear control you. Don't let your losses control you, because Crypto Lottery, I lost 85K and I kept going. I brushed it off. I kept going. You know why I kept going? Because I hated my job And I knew that this is what I wanted to do full time because it's something that allows me to travel the world and make money at the same time. So crypto lottery, if you don't have this course, you should check it out. It's probably the best course on the market right now. I'm quite sure you saw the testimonials that I got. So, you know, just don't let the fear control you. Don't let the fear control you. Don't let your losses control you. You can always come back little by little. You don't have to dump a lot of money. So if you lost 15K, you don't have to come back with 15K again. You just come back with a little, you know, and this, you know, basically gain back that confidence. Let's see if I see any questions. Let's see if I see any questions. And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. Thanks a lot for coming through, spending time with me. I'm about to get off soon, but thanks a lot for coming through. I'm about to get off and look at some stocks. Left Lane said you're changing life. Shout out to Left Lane. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Ben said you're gonna be on Oprah. That's funny. Glenn said don't get caught up with the peer coin 5 years later. Exactly, guys. Don't get caught up with the peer coin syndrome, right? The peer coin, the barbecue coin, and the peer coin syndrome, okay? And if you don't know what that is, basically, let's go back and let me show you exactly what that okay, so let's go back 5 years from now, okay? And you look at these coins. Most of these coins that was on the first page is gone, okay? Now let's go to peer coin. This is what he was talking about. Peer coin is at 5 years ago it was at $1.71, right? Let's type in peer coin. Let's see where it's at right now. Okay, right now is at $1.33. Okay, and this is why my main strategy has nothing to do with hodling, because I can't tell the future, guys. I can't wait 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and risk wasting all that time to see a coin that I bought is at the same price. Okay, I can't risk that. That's too much time. 5 and 10 years, that's a decade. That's too much time to be wasting for me to see a coin to be at the same level that I bought it at. This is why I focus on short-term strategies, because I can build up my account every single month. Some people just don't get it. I don't know. I don't get it. Why I don't get it? I can't believe people are so brainwashed. They just don't get it. I mean, you really that brainwashed? Gosh, man. I mean, study the rich. You don't even have to believe me. Study the rich. They don't focus on buy and hold anything. My gosh, man. It's ridiculous. Let's go back. Let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here. So Crypto Lottery said I'm gonna grab that course next Friday so I can study. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. I said Crypto Inspo. Shout out to Crypto Lottery. He wants to get the course next Friday or this Friday. I can't. Next Friday. So shout out to him. Let me see if I see nothing before I get out of here. Let me see if I see any questions. I don't see any questions. So, guys, thank you for coming out and chilling with me. Shout out to Trance. I think Trance actually got this course today. So shout out to Trance. Thanks a lot, Trance, for buying the course once again. Thanks a lot for Trance. And Sonia, I believe Sonia wants to get the course. So as soon as I get off, I'm gonna give her instructions for the BTC. So shout out to her too. So let me see if I can if I see any questions. No, I don't. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thank you for just chilling out with me. And businessman said, thanks for sharing your knowledge. Yeah, thanks businessman for coming through. So Mr. Sandy said hop on that course. So shout out to Mr. Sandy. He's talking about this course. This course has basically changed a lot of people's lives. So if you want to take advantage, as soon as I get off, it's going right back to 210. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to take advantage. Shout out to Sandy. Shout out to businessman. Shout out to Tino. Shout out to Crypto Lottery. Shout out to who else? Left Lane, Glenn. Who else? Julio, Tony. Everybody that's here, guys. 9/11. Of course, Trans that actually bought the course, and Sonia. So let me get out of here, guys. Glenn. I'll talk to you guys later. Rajal, Ace, 45, Sean. I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a good night. Make sure you study. Make sure these guys do not take your money, because that's what they do. They look to take guys' money, right? They look to take your money. They always do these pump fakes, right? They doing these pump fakes all the way up. They've been doing these pump fakes. They've been sucked. They suck a lot of new traders in with these pump fakes, and they just slam it right back down. So don't get caught up with that. And just study. That's it. So talk to you guys later. Have a good night, and make sure that you. Glenn said replay the course. Yes. Make sure you have a good night, and talk to you guys later.